Hello, this is Miss Chelsea, and today we'll be discussing atomic structure. Our question of the day is what is the internal structure of an atom? And how do protons, neutrons, and electrons compare to and contrast each other? Our standard of the day is SC1A. Evaluate merits and limitations of different models of the atom in relation to relative size, charge, and position of protons, neutrons, and electrons in the atom. Atoms are made up of smaller particles called subatomic particles. They are protons, neutrons, and electrons, and information about them can help you differentiate between different elements. Protons have positive charges. They have a mass of 1 atomic mass unit. They are found in the nucleus, and they determine the identity of the atom. Neutrons, on the other hand, are neutrally charged. They have no charge. The mass is also 1 atomic mass unit. They are also found in the nucleus, and they keep protons from repelling each other because same charges repel and opposites attract. Electrons are negatively charged. They are really tiny. Their mass is only 1/2000th of an atomic mass unit. They are found in electron clouds and energy levels outside of the electron. Depends on which atomic model you're using. Now, they determine the behavior of the atoms. The valence shell, or the valence electron cloud, is the outermost electrons that participate in bonding. We'll learn about these a little later. Let's have a look at an element from the periodic table. As you can see right here, we have the atomic mass, or the average mass of all isotopes of that element. You round this number to a whole number to get the mass number. Since protons and neutrons are so much larger than electrons, the mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Next, you have the element's name and its symbol. So every element has a unique name, and each atomic symbol is unique. It is typically a uppercase letter, and sometimes there will be a lowercase letter afterwards. The atomic number is the number of protons in an atom. Each element's atomic number is unique, so the atomic number tells you what element you have. In any neutral atom, the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons, or the atomic number. So the number of negative electrons and the number of positive protons are the same in neutral atoms. Now, on the periodic table, elements are listed in order of their atomic numbers. Now, electrons are found in energy levels around the nucleus of the atom. A certain number of electrons can fit in each level. So the first level can only hold 2 electrons, as shown here. The second level can actually hold 8, and so on. You can quickly determine how many electrons are in each energy level by looking at the rows on the periodic table. You can also determine how many energy levels an atom has by looking at its row, which is called a period on the periodic table. For example, potassium is in the 4th row, or the 4th period, so its nucleus is surrounded by 4 energy levels of electrons. Since it is the first element in that row, it only has 1 valence electron. Now, go ahead and try the show what you know questions.